Okay. Test, test, test. All right. I think we're all right. So I'll give you a little rundown on this. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to vectorizer.ai. That's what I'm already on here, so it didn't change. Vectorizer.ai there. That you're going to want that. It's $10 a month. It's unquestionably something you're going to want. Assuming you already have your file, you can drag it from anywhere and just drop it in here. But we'll just open this. Here's OCut. This is already a transparent PNG. I'll show you that to start. Everything looks good there. Just go ahead and hit OK. I never mess with anything on here. You can trim it, you can crop it, but I never touch anything here. There, it's processing it. So from here, this is just a simple one color. We don't have to worry about anything. I'm going to leave it black, but I'll show you what I just did. Up here in the top left, you have the little color palette. It says 2. That's showing you your colors. Transparent is these checker boxes, and then you have black 000 right here. The hex code is absolute black. So you can go in here. If I wanted to change this to a different color, I could. Let's just do white just to show you for the sake. Now it's going to take an output that is white instead of black. Then I'm going to hit download. These are all the default options, I believe. EPS, fill shapes, place shapes and cutouts, medium, cubic, fill gaps. I don't think I've ever touched any of those. If I have, the only thing that I think it might have been SVG originally. I changed it to SP or EPS just because that's what I prefer working with. Download. Now it's popped up right there. I'll open it in Illustrator. Boom. It's right there in Illustrator now. It's already colored in. I don't have to do anything to it. It's good to go. Now I can copy it onto a gang sheet. Good to go. I don't want to confuse you, but I could show you another trick, but I'm not going to confuse you right now.